Greenslips.com.au. Everything you need to know to compare and purchase your Greenslip. Greenslip prices vary. It is important to compare prices for all 7 Greenslip insurers, particularly if you want to find the cheapest Greenslip. To compare prices for all 7 Greenslip insurers, go to www.greenslips.com.au. Click on the Cost Comparison button, then the greenslips.com.au Calculator button. After you answer some simple questions, you'll be given a price for all 7 Greenslip insurers based on your vehicle and details. In addition, you'll be given information on other factors you can consider, including, where relevant, at-fault driver cover and discounts on other products. You will also be given contact details for the insurers. If you have any other questions, greenslips.com.au provides all the Greenslip information you'll need.